Hi everyone, here I am in Grenada on the boat, and this morning I'm going to do some teak cleaning. So what I'd like to show you is the 3 different stages of cleaning and getting the teak wood back up to a beautiful luster. So this is what it looks like in 3 different stages. Okay, here it is. We have teak that's been scrubbed. We have teak that's been scrubbed and oiled. And then over here, I hate to admit, this is what everything used to look like on the boat. All the teak is neglected teak. So it's has mold in it. So it's kind of ranges from black to gray. And all it takes is some water, scrub brush, and scrub as hard as you can. And it should dry. Get to this stage and then oil it, which is super simple and super easy, and it will get back up to this rich, beautiful color. Alrighty, stay tuned. Live from Grenada.